The general rule is do everything as slowly as possible. Channels and gullies should be negotiated in such a way as to keep the vehicle level. Humps should be driven over at right angles and ditches crossed diagonally. This ensures the best possible coordination between axles, springs, and transmission. Suspension and springs are built to take it, but not if you have a heavy foot. Even at this speed, you should try either to steer clear of the larger obstacles or drive over them with the wheels. A series of humps can be crossed at right angles as long as there's no danger of the chassis making contact with the ground. And that can happen a lot quicker than one might think. However, trying to apply the same theory on a quite different surface, such as sand, will prove to be useless. A sand dune like this, for example, cannot be conquered by driving at right angles or diagonally, and certainly not by driving slowly. In no time at all, the wheels have burrowed their way into the soft sand, and the maneuver has to be broken off. Drive as fast as necessary, then it can be done. The most frequent cause of time loss in this event are vehicles that have turned over. Tiring rescue actions are the result, but the Camel Trophy family nevertheless reaches the finish.